Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up.
Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Recently, there have been price drops at IKEA stores worldwide. Over in the USA, the spring sale has kicked off, running until May 7th. While the specific items on sale vary slightly by country, it's worth noting that in the USA, all the discounted products are popular items. Today's video is all about storage solutions. I was tidying up over the weekend, which inspired me to feature some storage-related items. I'll also include some of my highly recommended storage furniture that has recently seen price reductions. By the end of this video, you'll know which storage items are worth picking up right now, especially if you're looking to organize your space. So, make sure to watch till the end. There have been quite a few markdowns, including this open shelving unit, the LERBERG, now reduced. But I particularly want to talk about this open rack called HÖNSNÄT, which has also seen price reductions at IKEA USA. It's a fantastic combination of wood and white steel, making it incredibly popular. The steel shelves can hold up to 20 kilos, so it's versatile enough for kitchen appliances, or even as a bookshelf. Moving on, let me introduce the king of bookshelves, Billy, which is now under $40. Billy has a shallow depth, perfect for fitting Muji boxes or drawers. It's more streamlined than your typical cube storage, and its design cleverly avoids baseboards, allowing it to sit flush against the wall. Surprisingly, this bookshelf is only $40. The doors, they are so adorable. Make it a versatile piece as they allow for concealed storage. The doors cost $45, which suddenly seems high, when the shelf itself is only $39. The markdowns include not only this size, but taller versions as well. Next up, let me show you some storage items I recently purchased. These aren't new, but are definitely staple items that I've bought again. I haven't introduced them much in videos before, so I thought I'd share them this time. Here is a hanging basket. You might have seen similar ones at other stores, like Daiso, but IKEA's version is uniquely deep and narrow. Like Daiso's, you can join them vertically. The narrow width makes them a perfect fit for IKEA's Kallax shelving or similar units. They can be snugly integrated like this and joined vertically. Just be careful when snapping them into place at the back. The base snaps in securely, allowing the baskets to stand alone if not hanging. They can clamp onto shelves up to 2 cm thick. I've installed one in the bathroom on an IKEA workspace side table, which does protrude a bit at the front, but it's all good. The best things about this basket is that it's unobtrusive. It doesn't create any visual clutter. It seems that the OBSERVATÖR is not available in white in many countries. I find that quite curious. Is white not a popular color, perhaps? It's hard to say for sure. Another useful item for organizing documents, especially with the new school term bringing heaps of paperwork, is this magazine rack. I use it as a temporary holding spot for documents, which are slightly visible. This is key. Yet, it's discreetly placed under this counter where it's not immediately noticeable when you enter the living room. It has 5 pockets, which could be great for sorting items by family member. The open design makes it easy to slip documents in and out. A tablet fits in there as well. Installation is super easy with drywall hooks, and it's just a matter of hanging it up. However, if you have small children, be aware that it could easily be pulled off. I store more important documents in a bestow cabinet using Muji file boxes. For displaying prints, I recommend this magnet board. Its simple design doesn't scream office space, and is perfect because it holds about 3 A4 sheets. IKEA's accessories, like magnets, fit well with it. It can also be used as a whiteboard. This pen, by the way, is also an IKEA product. And was installed using drywall hooks. These hooks just catch on the edge, which I'll detail in the description below. Now for some desk storage. I am using an IKEA MICKE desk intended for kids as my computer desk. The drawer trays inside are partitioned boxes from Series 100 yen shop, where I store stationery. I've put non-slip mats cut from kitchen drawer liners to prevent items from sliding around. A real stress reducer. In the larger drawer, I use the MALAREN box set. Which fits perfectly. These are paper boxes, but are sturdy enough to serve as drawer inserts. I've also picked up some rubber bands for wall storage with SKÅDIS. Originally, they're meant for holding notes, but I bought them for a different use. Making a smartphone stand, which makes charging easy. The pegboard system has a rich array of accessories, allowing for various uses. This was recently displayed at the IKEA Yokohama store, and it was incredibly adorable. Lastly, I'd like to show you my desk area, where the monitor stand is actually an IKEA shelf, and the legs are from a cabinet. This setup includes a memo stand, pen holder, and maybe a smartphone stand. I've introduced it before, but having used it, I can say it's incredibly handy. Having a place to prop up notes is really useful. I didn't plan to mention this, but since I've introduced so many items, the cork coasters at IKEA Japan are now 2 for 100 yen. Even the dollar stores would be surprised. IKEA's cork coasters are solidly made and don't fall apart at all. But now that they're just 100 yen, I think I'll buy some more. Also, the SOCKERBIT boxes, popular at IKEA, have recently been reduced in price. They are extremely sturdy. You can apply pressure without them bending, which is great for storing heavy items like tools. The shape angling forward makes them easy to access. They fit perfectly 2 at a time in a Skåg cart. I use them in my storage room. Sorry for the sudden glimpse of real life there. I have a Notori color box there, and 3 fit neatly on top, though the shelf is starting to sag from too much weight. These boxes are so durable, I've been stuffing them with tools. If you don't want to show the contents, just turn them around for a cleaner look. It's easier to access items with the front lower, and you can slip things in and out without having to pull the box out, which is really convenient. Thank you so much for all your comments on the last video. I'd love to hear about your recent great IKEA finds, so please share them. Next time, I'll be introducing more IKEA new items. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you soon in the next video.